How to fix iPhone stuck in zoom mode. Now the zoom mode I'm talking about looks like this. As you can see right here, this is the zoom mode that I was talking about, and it's quite handy for some people, but not much for us who rarely use this feature. This is a feature not a lot of people know about. Now, some people might think that your iPhone is broken or something, but it's not. It's just a feature on your iPhone. So to fix this, what you can do is it's really simple. I'll teach you guys how you can turn this off completely too. So let's begin. So how this feature works is, you need to just uh, use your fingers, I mean to just swipe around, and when you try to type something, it does not work. So what we can do here is, okay, so as you can see right here, everything's going to mess, nothing's working correctly. So to fix this, what you'll need to do is use three of your fingers and double tap on your screen. So after you do that, your screen will go back to normal. So there you go. Now if I double tap it with my three fingers again, it's gonna zoom right back in. Now let's do that again. Now to turn this feature off, what we'll do is go to our settings, and under settings, go to accessibility. After you're there, you will see vision right there. Under vision, you will see zoom option. Tap on it, and on the top, you will see zoom toggled on. Just toggle this off and the feature is gone. Now the feature has been disabled. You can try to use it. Just double tap with your three fingers and it won't work again. So that is how you fix your iPhone getting stuck in zoom mode. Thanks for watching.